Hey there, Cartel Gang! Welcome back to the Queen Boss Beauty Cartel, where we rule the beauty world with style and sass. Today, we've got something totally perfect for all you nail enthusiasts out there. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of nail art with our review of the MIZHSE Cat Eye Gel Polish in the beautiful shades of cyan and purple. So if this piques your interest, hang tight as we delve into the secrets of these stunning gel polishes. Let's dive deep into this review for MIZHSE 90 Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish, specifically spotlighting the enchanting cyan and purple shades. Trust me, applying this polish is an absolute breeze. It glides on so effortlessly, you'll feel like a professional nail artist in no time. Now, when it comes to applying the MIZHSE Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish, there's a little trick to ensure that flawless finish. When applying any gel polish, I always apply thin layers. It helps with bubbling. This polish comes with a magnet stick. Simply glide it over the polish and voila! Watch as the cat eye effect comes to life, giving your nails that irresistible allure. For those of you who adore a bit of drama, here's a pro tip. Start with a base layer of black gel polish before applying the cyan and purple hues like we did here. This technique really amps up the intensity, making those colors pop like never before. It's all about mastering the art of layering and using the right tools to achieve that picture-perfect, eye-catching look. This gel polish didn't give us any problems. It went on smooth, no bubbling, and it mixed well with the top coat we used, which was Beetle's No Wipe Top Coat. Now this is what the polish looks like before we use the magnet. And if you ask me, it is absolutely beautiful without using the magnet. But as you can see, once we use the magnet, it takes the polish to a new level. The camera does not do it justice. I am telling you guys, it is stunning. Now let's talk deals. You won't believe the great offer we found on Amazon. You can snag a duo of the MIZHSE 90 Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish for under $7. Yes, you heard me right, 2 gel polishes for under $7. And there is a magnet that comes with it. Now, anyone who knows me knows I love my Beetles polishes. And when I say love, I mean love. But this has become one of my favorite cat eye polishes. And that's a wrap, beauties. We hope you enjoyed our journey through the fabulous world of nail art with the MIZHSE Cat Eye Gel Polish in cyan and purple. Don't forget to leave us a comment letting us know your thoughts and if you'll be trying out these mesmerizing shades, or if you have, what do you think? Please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest beauty trends from the Queen Boss Beauty Cartel. Until next time, stay beautiful and bossy queens.